YouTube, good morning. Y'all get up, go use the bathroom, wash your face, grab your coffee, come back and tune in. I need to show y'all something. This kit, AMT Weekend Wrencher. I'm gonna be unboxing it for you right quick. I hadn't even opened it. Alright, y'all, so this is the weekend wrenching kit by AMT. This kit comes with a welding set, 10 tools, toolbox with the chest, shelves, a creeper, a model car, and a figure, and 2 sawhorses. I picked up this kit off of Marketplace a while back. Probably maybe over a month ago. I believe I seen some of these parts in somebody else's video. I'm not good at remembering videos, but let's see what we got. It seems like it takes so much more extra time to open these packages. So here you have the welding tanks for your gas. It look like it might be the hoses for the welding tank and the manifold gauges. This is a dolly right here. The dolly that they sit on. Alright, so this would be your figure tree. You got a couple of arms, hat, the back. Wait, how many arms does it have? Let's see. So it gives you 4 arms. They are in different this one seemed to be the same as these two. This one is different because the arm is stretched out. But anyway, you have your bottom part of the body, your head, and there's a hat, there's a cap, and it's the chest area. Here's your little tools. Your hammer, open face wrenches, rubber mallet, 4-way, screwdriver, pliers, like a Phillips head maybe. Another open face wrench, a saw. Here's that model car. Good luck on painting that. This looks like it may be the base to something here. Oh, whatever, man. Alright, so here's this toolbox. You have the drawers. Yeah, so these are the sides of the toolbox with the handles on it. And these are the drawers to it. Let's see. This is that shelf. This is the shelf. Two sides and the shelves. All right, so here would be the front of that toolbox. You got your sawhorses. This looks like it seemed to be a base. These two are for the sawhorses. And I believe this is the bottom of the toolbox because it got wheels on it, yeah. And this may be the top part of it, maybe. Maybe. Oh, that's all of it. I didn't see the little creeper in here. Let me figure. Oh no, so this. All right, I'm sorry, y'all. My bad. I'm sorry. So this is the creeper because it has the wheels on it, but the toolbox also has wheels on it. Let me look back. Let's go back. Because that creeper should be in here somewhere, and it has wheels to it. Alright, so alright, check it out. Okay. So here is the creeper right here. That's the creeper. There's the wheels. And this would be the bottom of the toolbox. Yeah, that's more like it. So let's look at the instructions right quick. We got a decal sheet too. Let's see what the decal sheet looking like right quick. Yeah, y'all have to sit around and wait till I open the packages. So what? I always open the packages for y'all before to save time, but this morning I didn't do it. So I don't want to hear it. Alright, so we got a good decal sheet here. Tons of decals. We can put on your wall. Super service, motor oil. We have a clock, AMT. Oh, excuse me, y'all. I've been up since about 3 o'clock, so I'm sleepy right now. We have this guy here. AMT, my garage rules, fast lane, gearhead, gasoline alley, high voltage, one way, vroom room, spark plug, thermometer. Oh, we got some oil stains we can put on the ground. Caution signs. What did we say? Oxygen. 3-in-1. So check this out. That looks like that's the box for a little model car. 3-in-1. So it's like you can peel it out. There's that cat again. AMT street rods. So they have name tags for the shirt for that figure. Papa and Jeff, Brett Allen looks like it. Dave, Blake, AMT Garage, Medical Tools, STP, your racing flags, Perfect Circle. Hey, there's a lot of decals on here. They could be used in your background. Let's take a look at the instructions right quick. There's your shelf. There's your oxygen tank. There is your toolbox. It's all simple. Workhorse. Here's your model car. Just snaps together. 2 pieces. And you detail it how you want. As far as the paint. Here's your tools. There's that old workhorse. That old creeper. And there's the figure. 2 different arm motions. So, yep. Alright, y'all. It's a cool little kit. I'll be opening it up. I'll be putting it together once I figure out what I'm gonna do, where I'm gonna store my cars at, and find some more room so that way I can set up a display. So, all right, y'all, that's it and that's all. Y'all have a good day. I'm out.